Hi, and welcome to the High Desert Yarn YouTube channel. Today, I am going to be showing you how to work the triplet stitch. This stitch is used in the rainbow crochet blanket that Erin from Juniper and Oaks and myself from Joanna from High Desert Yarn designed for spring of 2025. So if you're working through the blanket section, this is section 9, and these are going to be the triplets. So I've gone ahead and started kind of like my foundation rows for this section of the blanket. So what you'll need to do is create a chain of 13. Then in the second chain from the hook, place a half double crochet and half double crochet all the way across to the end of row 1. You'll have 12 stitches. Chain 1, turn your work, and half double crochet in each stitch across. Chain 1 again, turn your work, and then half double crochet all the way across. You'll have 12 stitches. You'll be at the end of row 3 if you're working on section 9 of the blanket. So go ahead and you'll need a chain 1 and turn your work. And now we're getting into the triplet stitch. So if you're not working on the blanket and you're just curious on how to work up a swatch of this stitch, you can go ahead and just skip the row 2 and row 3 of the half double crochets to get started with the triplet stitch. So for the first stitch of the row, we're going to go ahead and create a half double crochet. And then for the next 2 stitches, we're going to do a front post double crochet. So what that means is that we're going to yarn over and that we're going to insert a hook from the front to the back of the work. And I'm going behind the post of the stitch that I'm working on. So here's kind of like what the back side of the work will look like. Then we're going to yarn over and pull up a loop. So you'll have 3 loops on your hook, just like a regular double crochet. So yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 more loops. And you can see that kind of pops the post of the stitch towards the front of the work instead of the back of the work. So we're going to do that again. Yarn over, insert between the posts of your 2 stitches from front to back. So you are wrapping your hook around the back post of that stitch. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through the remaining 2 loops. And there you have your first 2 front post double crochets. So for the next 3 stitches, we're going to be working on creating back post double crochets. And to do that, it's just about the same, but instead of going from like the front of the work to the back of the work, we're going to be going from the back of the work to the front of the work. So from the back to the front, loop your hook around the front post of that stitch. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 more. And you can see the difference that this stitch is more towards the back of the work versus these 2 stitches. The post is definitely coming more at us towards the front of the work. So create another back post double crochet and then 1 more. Now we're going to place around the post of each of these 3 stitches a front post double crochet. So yarn over, insert from front to back, yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 more, and there's a front post double crochet. So repeat that 2 more times. And that gets us to the end of the repeat for this row. So our repeat is right here. 3 back post double crochets and then 3 front post double crochets. So we're going to yarn over, or now we're going to finish off our row by creating 2 back post double crochets and then a half double crochet. And then on these stitches, just make sure you're taking your time. Sometimes my plies can get kind of hung up, or my hook doesn't want to wrap around the post of the stitches. Okay, so there is row 4 of the blanket. So go ahead and chain 1, turn your work, and we're going to work on the second row that's going to be in the 2-row repeat for this section. So we're going to half double crochet in the first stitch, and then we're going to work a back post double crochet in the next 2 stitches. One, 2, and now we're going to work 3 front post double crochets in the next 3 stitches. And then in the next 3 stitches, we're going to work 3 back post double crochets. Oops. See, I still get tangled up on these stitches. So just go slow, take your time, and it's okay if you're a little clumsy at it. There we go. All right, and then we've got our last 3 stitches of the row. So we're going to be placing 2 front post double crochets and then a half double crochet. All right, and so to continue on with the triplet stitch, we're going to repeat rows 4 and row 5 until your desired height, and that is what the stitch is going to look like. You'll have 3 little groupings of 3 stitches, and it creates such a beautiful, almost basket weave type texture. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions, please ask them in the comments, or you can always email me at hello@highdesertyarn.com. Have a great day.